What's going on, people? It is your boy Svenny-D coming at you with a nice little gameplay commentary. It's been a long time since I have done one of these. Today we just got the Elgato it's the Elgato HD60 S, a Blue Snowball black ice mic, and a couple other little gadgets to work with. The Elgato, getting it set up and unboxed and all that good stuff was extremely easy. The software was really user-friendly, and even like anytime you set up new software with a capture card, you're gonna have some issues and you're gonna have to troubleshoot. It was gravy. One thing that really surprised me that was different was like with the Hauppauge HD PVR, you downloaded all the software. And one thing I liked about Elgato is they actually had a link where you could go to actually download the software. So it was really easy, really quick. Everything all together after I got it hooked up, it took me like 3 minutes to install, and then maybe like another 20 minutes to actually troubleshoot, get some of the settings worked out with the PS4, and get all that good stuff set up. The Blue Snowball mic, easy peasy, beautiful wonder girl, you know what I mean. So I just wanted to throw up a quick video, check out these settings. Obviously, like I said, it's been a long time since I've done a commentary, so I'm going to have to tweak with these render settings. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if everything's looking pretty, sounding pretty, and even smelling pretty. If this video smells good and it is the best video you've ever smelled in your life, make sure to give it a like. And let me know in the comments below too if I need to tweak the smell settings at all. That's going to be a really key part in all this. Thank you guys for tuning in. If any of you give me feedback, thank you even more. And I'll be coming at you guys in the next day or so. Definitely catch up with me on Twitter. I'm still waiting to hear from you guys. There's a lot of awesome people that I met on here from like 2010, 2011, 2012 that I still am like super eager to catch up with. So hopefully I'll hear from you guys soon. And until next time, this is your boy Svenny-D, and I'm signing out.